Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pool basketball hoops that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning to elevate your summer pool parties or enjoy casual games with friends and family, these hoops are perfect for some poolside fun. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive in and get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the LX Here Pool Basketball Hoop Poolside. This product is designed with kids and younger players in mind, making it a great option for family fun. It comes with 2 basketballs, a pump, and a sturdy base that you can fill with water for added stability. The backboard is relatively thick, and the entire set is made from durable plastic materials to withstand regular use. One standout feature is the lengthened base, which can hold up to 70 pounds of water. This ensures the hoop stays stable during play, even when kids get a little competitive. The assembly process is easy and straightforward, which makes it convenient for parents to set up. However, the overall build quality feels slightly lightweight, meaning it might not hold up well for more aggressive play or older teens. In terms of value, this hoop is best suited for families with younger children who are looking for a fun, introductory basketball set for the summer. While it's not the most durable option on this list, it's a decent choice for casual poolside fun. Pros include its affordability, easy setup, and family-friendly design. On the downside, it isn't ideal for older players or intense gameplay. At number 4, we have the Pool Basketball Hoop by Pool Boy Sports. This product is designed to cater to a wider audience, including kids, teens, and adults. Its heavy-duty steel frame and rust-resistant design make it suitable for outdoor use, even in harsh pool environments with chlorine and salt water. The package includes 3 composite leather basketballs, an air pump, and the necessary tools for assembly, making it a comprehensive set ready for action. The adjustable height feature is a big plus, allowing you to customize the hoop for different age groups and skill levels. The modern matte black finish gives it a sleek and premium look, elevating the aesthetic of your pool area. However, one downside is that some users have reported the base being a bit less stable than expected, especially during intense play, so it may not be the best choice for aggressive dunking. Overall, this hoop is a solid mid-range option, particularly for families who want a durable and stylish product that can accommodate players of all ages. Its pros include the adjustable height, rust-resistant materials, and included accessories, while the cons are its slightly less stable base and a higher price point compared to some competitors. Coming in at number 3 is the DeHeves Pool Basketball Hoop. This is another family-friendly option that includes 2 basketballs and a pump. It features a lengthened base that can hold up to 70 pounds of water, providing excellent stability even during spirited games. The hoop's polyethylene frame is lightweight yet durable, and it's designed to resist fading, rust, and general wear and tear from the elements. The standout feature of the DeHeves hoop is its quick and easy assembly process, requiring no tools and taking less than 5 minutes to set up. This makes it perfect for families who want to spend more time playing and less time assembling. The hoop is also designed for versatility, offering a fun way to stay active and cool off during the summer. However, it's worth noting that while the base is stable, the overall build might not be as robust as some of the higher-end products on this list. This hoop is ideal for families with kids and adults who want a reliable, easy-to-use option for poolside basketball. Its pros include the stable base, ease of assembly, and weather-resistant materials. The cons are that it might not withstand heavy use over many seasons, and the design is more functional than premium-looking. At number 2, we have the Mayfire Swimming Pool Basketball Hoop. This premium product is packed with features that justify its higher price tag. The adjustable height range from 2.62 to 3.28 feet makes it versatile for players of all ages and skill levels, while the 32-inch shatterproof polycarbonate backboard ensures durability during intense games. The stainless steel construction of the pole and rim offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making this hoop a long-lasting investment. What sets the Mayfire hoop apart is its thoughtful design. Weighing just 21.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around easily, but sturdy enough to stay in place during gameplay. The set includes 2 basketballs and a pump, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. The robust backboard and high-quality materials make this hoop suitable for more competitive games. However, its higher price point might be a drawback for some buyers. This hoop is perfect for families who take their poolside basketball seriously, or anyone looking for a durable, high-performance option. Pros include its sturdy construction, shatterproof backboard, and adjustable height. The main con is its premium price, which might not fit everyone's budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the Go Sports Splash Hoop Pro, which strikes the perfect balance between affordability, quality, and fun. This is the original splash hoop engineered specifically for poolside use, with an extra-large 34 by 25-inch backboard and a 14-inch rim. Its HDPE construction is UV-resistant and built for long-term use, while the 50-pound water-filled base ensures stability even during competitive games. One of the standout features of the Splash Hoop Pro is its quick and easy 3-minute setup, making it a hassle-free way to upgrade your poolside activities. The package includes 2 inflatable basketballs and a pump, so you'll be ready to play in no time. The design is modern and sleek, and its durable materials ensure it won't rust or tip over easily. While it may lack the premium feel of some higher-end products, it more than makes up for it with its excellent value for the price. This hoop is ideal for families, casual players, and anyone looking for a reliable and fun poolside basketball experience without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, easy setup, and durability. The only con is that it may not be the best choice for those seeking a more professional-grade option. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're looking to bring some excitement to your pool this summer, any of these hoops will make a great choice. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. If this video was helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a question about any of these products? Drop it in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy swimming and hooping.